Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make a chocolate cookie brittle. I can't wait to try this. Now, I've never made this recipe before. I came across it on the internet and I thought, you know what? It looks really good. I want to see how it works by making it gluten-free. And you want to start by taking 1 cup of melted butter. And then just going to scrape out my bowl here. And a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And we're going to whisk this together. Just to get everything to blend together. That looks pretty good. So to that, I want to add my half a teaspoon of kosher salt and my 2 cups of gluten-free all-purpose flour. And today I'm using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour. And I'm going to switch to a spatula. We're just going to mix this up. It's a very straightforward recipe, I find. Looks a bit like a regular cookie dough. The only difference is there's no baking soda or baking powder in it. Maybe that's what gives it the crunchiness. Okay, now that it's mixed, and add in a half a cup of chocolate chips. And I'm using a dark chocolate chip. And I'm just going to fold these in. Now I have a parchment paper lined baking sheet here. And I'm going to take my cookie sheet and fill it with the dough. And then I'm just going to start spreading it out. I think I'm going to switch to my fingers. That's better. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm happy with that. So this is going into my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. But because it's a new recipe for me, I'm going to keep an eye on it and just check it probably at the 15-minute mark. Be right back. And just like that, 18 minutes later, the cookie has come out. I let it cool completely. Now let's see if it's actually brittle. If I can pick it up. Oh, it's like a really big cookie. Oh, it is. It is brittle. I wanted to go into the middle and see. Because I find when you make a big cookie like this, the outside edge will be nice and hard and crusty. And the center will be really soft and chewy, but no, this center is like brittle. Now let's give it a try. It's a really fun brittle or cookie recipe. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on any of these social media websites. Thanks for watching. See you soon.